So here is 1.1, evaluating expressions. So we are going to take these values that are given and plug into our expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write everything the way it is, except for A. I will put a set of parentheses. And then for B, I'll put a set of parentheses and then bring down everything else. And then they tell you that A is equal to 3, so I'm going to plug that in here. And B is equal to 4, I'm going to plug that in here. So now we're going to have to do the order of operations. So parentheses first. There are some parentheses, but there's nothing inside. So we're just going to leave that alone. Exponents. So there are some exponents we need to take care of. 3 squared is 9. I'm going to bring down the parentheses because there's a 5. 4 squared is 16. And then 5 times 9 is 45. And then 45 plus 16, I'll throw that in Desmos. 45 plus 16 is 61. So this is equal to 61. It's the same thing here. We're going to go ahead. There's a bunch of parentheses here, so I'm going to bring down this parentheses to A. I'm going to put a parentheses for A, and then bring down this parentheses squared divided by B. I'm going to put a set of parentheses times C. Now that I have all my parentheses there, let me go ahead and plug stuff in. A is 3, B is 4, C is -2. At this point, I could do the order of operations, or I can just go ahead and plug it in Desmos since it does the order of operations for you as long as you plug it in properly. Now, Desmos with the division signs gets a little tricky. So basically, when you go ahead and plug this in Desmos, so I'm going to do parentheses 2, parentheses 3, close parentheses again, square it, and then when I hit division, it goes into denominator. That's okay. So all of this part will go ahead and go in the denominator. So 4 times parentheses -2. So that is, I'll go ahead and press the fraction button here just so I have it. That is going to end up being -9/2. Okay. I'll go ahead and have you try 3 and 4. Okay, you can pause the video, try those out, and then let me know. I'll come around and check that. Okay. All right. So, and then here there's a little bit more practice. Same thing. We're gonna just plug stuff in. I'll do 5. So you have here x is -2 squared plus y is -3 cubed. I'll go ahead and put this one in Desmos too, or you can have Desmos calculator help you with each part as well. Maybe I'll do that. So I'm going to do -2 squared plus -3 to the power of 3. That is -23. That's fun. I'll have you try that. And then let me go down to this one. This one has some fractions, so we got to be a little careful. So 5/9. P is 3/5 cubed. This one, I'm going to definitely go ahead and put it in Desmos. Let it help me get the answer. So 5/9. Oops. 5/9 times 3/5 to the power of 3. I'm going to go ahead and press that. So that is equal to 3/25. I'll have you try number 8. That's 1.1.